Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get canned soup in Guardian Tales. Canned soup is an essential resource for evolving your heroes, making them stronger for challenging content. The primary method to acquire this valuable item is by repeatedly clearing specific stages within World 10. Focusing on the highest difficulty you can manage will significantly increase your yield, helping you progress faster. To efficiently farm canned soup, concentrate your efforts on World 10-1 and World 10-2. These stages are known for their reliable canned soup drops. Once you've achieved 3 stars on a stage, utilize sweep tickets to instantly collect rewards without replaying the level. Always check for stages offering bonus canned soup rewards to maximize your farming efficiency. While World 10 is the main source, keep an eye out for limited-time events that often provide canned soup as a reward. The in-game shop sometimes features special bundles containing canned soup, so check daily. Additionally, being part of an active guild can grant you access to guild raid rewards, which occasionally include this valuable resource, further boosting your collection. Canned soup is absolutely crucial for evolving your heroes, allowing them to reach their full potential and unlock higher star ratings. Evolved heroes receive substantial stat increases and often gain powerful new abilities, making them indispensable for tackling tougher challenges. Strategically allocate your canned soup to your core team to ensure steady and impactful progression throughout your Guardian Tales journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.